Thanks so much for staying with us. Now, continued dry conditions across the open Caribbean show fair skies across the region. We have some isolated clouds across the Greater Antilles, but we have no significant thunderstorm activity in the basin or the region at this time. Scattered mid to upper level clouds, high pressure continues to dominate. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay with weak 5-knot winds on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting generally sunny skies across most of the area. For the afternoon, expect partly cloudy conditions, especially over inland areas. Isolated showers are also likely across inland areas with temperatures getting to 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, generally sunny conditions are forecast for the southeast tomorrow in Morant Bay, Kingston, as well as in Halfway Tree and Portmore. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy in Spanish Town and through to Mandeville, and also in the southwest, in the northwest as well. We're expecting partly cloudy conditions. Partly cloudy conditions persist through the area on Friday as well as on Saturday. We're not expecting shower activity until the afternoon on Sunday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. East-southeasterlies are on the south coast at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights 1 to 1.5 meters. And for the offshore areas, winds are east-northeasterly, getting up to 20 knots with wave heights reaching 2 meters. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.